Sergeant, you seeing this? Van, rear window.
Got it.
What's that?
Morse code.
I'll look up the dictionary.
Hold on. S-C-R-L-I.
SCR, is that scar?
Left eye. Suspect has a scar on his left eye. Good man, Nolan.
Okay, so if we assume our bomber did time at Primedale with felt, we know that he is a white male with a scar on his left eye, Graham Porter. He did 3 years at Primedale, and before that, a string of misdemeanors, but nothing that screams out mad bomber.
How's a guy like this hook up with a lifer like Felt?
Let's hope Lopez can find out.